This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with immediate, practical checks. Power down both devices and remove the VGA cable so you can inspect the connector visually for bent or missing pins. Once done, power the monitor back on and make sure its input is set to VGA. Monitors don't auto-switch reliably. Then plug in a known good VGA cable or a different PC to see if the signal appears. This quickly tells you whether the cable or source is at fault, saving time before deeper troubleshooting. You now verify the signal path and software. Boot with the monitor attached and force a safe resolution like 1024x768 if the screen stays black, because unsupported modes can prevent output. Next, open the case, if comfortable, and reseat the GPU or try a different output such as DVI or HDMI to confirm the VGA port hardware. Then update or reinstall display drivers using Device Manager or the GPU. You finish by applying corrective measures tailored to what you discovered. If the VGA port appears dead but other outputs work, use a powered VGA DVI or VGA to HDMI adapter to restore display. Once done, reset the monitor to factory defaults and confirm functionality on a different PC to rule out system-specific issues. If the problem is intermittent, inspect grounding and use a high-quality shielded cable. If failures persist, replace the monitor or graphics card. One troubleshooting tip: swap parts systematically to isolate the failing component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.